Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs have confirmed that Delon Shepherd will be Fernando da Cruz's second assistant coach alongside Mahmoud Abbas. Last week, Amakosi officially announced the Frenchman da Cruz as the club's new coach. He will join the club in the upcoming weeks, while pre-season has started with assistant coach Mahmoud Abbas, who previously worked at Saudi First League side Al Wahda. Meanwhile, Kaizer Chiefs also confirmed that Julian Leheran as the club's new head of sports science. And now on Monday, the 22nd of June 2026, the club announced that Delon Shepherd will become part of the Cruz technical team. Here is a statement that Kaizer Chiefs released. It says, Coach Shepherd will officially take on the role of second assistant coach, working alongside Coach Fernando da Cruz and assistant coach Mahmoud Abbas. Shepherd did similar work with the previous technical team, helping Amakosi to finish third in the Betway Premiership last season. We fully support the education and development of our coaches. Having Coach Sheppy qualified to work at the highest level in Africa with his CAF A license, as well as in Europe with his UEFA A license, means our players both in Kaizer Chiefs Youth Development Academy and senior team will benefit greatly. We are proud and happy for him. So Amakosi also confirmed that Coach Delon Shepherd officially obtained his CAF A license in Tanzania. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this statement by Kaizer Chiefs, saying that they've announced Coach Delon Shepherd as the second assistant coach of incoming head coach Fernando da Cruz? Are you happy with this move? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. And in other news, Durban City FC have confirmed the departure of Pitso Dladla ahead of his move to Golden Arrows. Dladla has been with the club even before it was rebranded from Maritzburg United to Durban City FC, spending most of his time as an assistant coach. And in February this year, he took charge on an interim basis after the KZN outfit sacked Snetemba Badela, who lasted only 3 games in the role. Dladla led the clubs to the Nedbank Cup triumph, winning the trophy, defeating TS Galaxy in the final. In a statement, they said Durban City FC can confirm that coach Pitso Dladla has left the club. Dladla departs after a defining spell at Durban City FC, having contributed to the club's promotion to the Betway Premiership in a technical capacity, and later guided the team to the Nedbank Cup glory as an interim coach. Durban City FC thanks Pitso Dladla for his contribution to the club and wishes him every success in the future. That's the statement from Durban City FC regarding the departure of Pitso Dladla. So let me hear your thoughts. Do you think that they did the right thing by letting go of Pitso Dladla? Or do you think that they should have kept him, especially as a coach that won them the first trophy in the club's history, becoming the first KZN team to win the Nedbank Cup? Let me hear your thoughts regarding that. Because we know that Durban City are talking with few coaches and they will probably appoint former Kaizer Chiefs co-coach Khalil Ben Yusuf as their new head coach. So is it a good move or not? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.